In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Toyota Camry. It's located behind the front wheel. To remove the hubcaps, you're going to stick a pry bar of some sort in there, and you're just going to go around and prop it off. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts. Doesn't look like it's going to come off, so I'm going to put one lug nut on loosely and get my dead blow hammer. And you want to give it a whack around here. Don't hit the valve stem. Walk that back, take off your lug nut, remove your wheel. Using a Phillips head, we're going to take out these 3 screws. I'm going to go underneath and take out a bolt here and take out this bolt. You're going to use a 10mm socket to do that. Pop out the middle part first. Then you can remove the whole push pin. Do the same on this one. And now we're going to move to the middle. You're going to have 2 more push pins or grommets here and here. Take out those 2, the same way you took out the others. And now we're going to use a 10mm socket to take out this bolt. Remove your push pin that's here. Just go underneath, pull it out. Now we're going to go underneath and take out our 2 bolts using a 10mm socket. There's one in the corner. And there's one further in. Now we're going to remove our fender liner. Just push in. And just push it out. You're going to pull your fender liner off of these grommets. Get a trim tool underneath. And just push that fender liner off. Remove the fender liner. If yours did not remove with the liner, you're going to use a pair of needle nose. You're going to find the 2 ears in the back. Our car is a little brittle. The plastic's brittle due to weather. And you're just going to push in and push the grommet out of the little square spot. Now we're going to install our fender liner. To do that, you're going to push it up, in, going to get it under the lip of the car. I have replacement clips for the side here. I'll push those in. Once you get your clips in there, you're going to put your screws in. Get your bolts in. Do the one on the bottom. I've replaced a few push pins because mine were brittle. So just add your push pin where it belongs. I'm going to add one here and one here. Insert your push pin. Do the same for this one. your bolt here. In order to line up this hole, you're going to want to take this clip off of the car. So you're just going to push it off, and you're going to slide this in all the way and make sure the hole lines up. And now you can install the clip on the car by sliding it onto the metal part of the car. Once you line everything up, you're going to put your push pin through. I've changed my pin since it broke, and I'm using a Phillips head screw that grabs the other end. Now you're going to put your bolts in underneath. Make sure that the engine liner is on top of the fender liner. And then the other one here. Make sure everything's lined up. Put your wheel on. Start your lug nuts. Put the tapered side in. Turn your wheel so one lug nut is on the bottom, and you're going to walk the rim up. We're going to torque our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Make sure you line your hubcap up with your valve stem. Once you get it going, you're going to give it a little tap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.